Okay, let us talk about one of the stocks that been heavily talked about in Reddit, SGBX. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for education purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So SGBX, one of the new stocks that been heavily talked about on Reddit. As you can see here, we got short squeeze play and SGBX is number one with 136 vote. So SGBX, the reason that is on Reddit right now is because this stock already jumped back here on November almost 150%. And now we got another jump of 80% again after a huge dip back in 17th of November. And now is trying to have another squeeze because here we have a big buyer, then seller, big buyer, seller, and how today at the market open we have a big buyer for it. So for now we got some news going on about liquidity and going current risk. We got the Q report for the SEC 10 Q report. So we have fundamental things going on for SGBX. Plus right now is looking interesting for a breakout on the $3.30. So usually we got every time a huge bump, then a huge reversal. This time, if we want to break the $3.30, because we already did 20% jump, we need to break the $3.30 and do at least this time over the $3.30, almost 40%. So if we broke the $3.80, which is the squeeze zone for SGBX, we need to hold, first of all, over the 3, break the $3.80 in order to go toward the 417, then 450, and the 5.10 for SGBX. The volume right now is a bit light because usually we have it in a million. Right now is getting around the 700K. So yeah, it looked really interesting for the third of the fourth squeezer or the fourth jump because we have 3 buyers. We're missing the fourth for official squeeze toward the $5, which is the target for SGBX in the coming days. So keep your eyes closed on this new short squeeze play that is underway and it's kind of warming up right now.